Brad Pitt just drove a real Formula One car. No green screen, no stunt double, no Hollywood trickery this time. And yeah, it's wild, especially when you realize that everything in the upcoming F1 movie so far, that wasn't an actual Formula One car, but this time it was. Let's break down what happened and why it's blowing up the racing world. So, why now? Well, the F1 movie officially drops in theaters June 27th, and this was the perfect time to crank up the hype. Even though most of the race car scenes were shot with the Formula 2 stunt car, now we know Brad has officially gone full send in a real F1 chassis. And it's not just for the cameras anymore, he's actually done it. Brad Pitt's been filming an F1 movie where he plays Sonny Hayes, a washed up former driver who gets one last shot at redemption. In the film, Pitt is seen racing wheel to wheel with modern F1 drivers, but the car he's in, it's a modified Formula 2 car dressed up like an F1 machine. That's Hollywood magic for you. But last week, that changed. Brad Pitt was invited by McLaren to drive the real thing, an MCL60, their 2023 F1 car, at Circuit of the Americas in Austin, Texas. This wasn't just a PR stunt. Pitt actually suited up, climbed into the car, and took off on the track. McLaren posted a photo of a suit with the initials BP and captioned it, "It's a sunny day in Austin, not exactly subtle, but fans went nuts." So, how fast did he go? We don't know that for sure, but what we do know is that Lando Norris was mentoring him at the track. Yeah, the real F1 talent, giving real F1 tips. Given Brad's age and the fact that he's not a trained racer, it's pretty safe to say he told him to take it easy. But the guy kept it on the track and didn't stuff it into a barrier, which, let's be honest, is kind of impressive. Especially when you consider that the MCL60 is an insanely complex machine. Over 1,000 horsepower, zero driver aids, razor sharp throttle response, and not exactly beginner friendly. So yeah, Brad Pitt just checked driving an F1 race car off of his bucket list. Would you do it? If McLaren handed you the keys to a legit F1 race car, how hard would you push it?